And we're live. Welcome, everyone. It is Thursday, August 13th, and we have some awesome news today. You've probably seen the title of the video. So Hexo Corp just released its 2.0 beverages on the SQDC website. So I'll bring that up here. Today's going to be just a quick lunchtime update. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to provide as much valuable content for you folks as possible. And if you want to join us on our pursuit of wealth, you can join us and like the YouTube channel, click the little bell, and you'll be notified of any future updates. So diving right into it, we saw a little bit of a teaser here previously regarding their potential drinks that they were going to have available. So we have the Very Well drops, which are already available. A lot of good reviews on those. The quality is excellent, I hear. But if you look at Canopy and other companies, they sort of disappointed up until this point. I didn't really like any of their beverages, to be honest with you, and it was such a built up hype and long overdue wait, and I didn't feel like the products really, blew me off my seat or really blew me away. So I'm looking at the Hexo lineup and Molson Coors joint venture, and it's the Trust Beverages lineup. So if you look at this lineup, it's absolutely fantastic in my opinion. We have sparkling dark cherry, sounds awesome. Sparkling blood orange, not a big fan, but dry grapefruit and lemon. We have the strawberry hibiscus sparkling water, lemon black iced tea. We've got some sparkling tonic water. We have the Molo, which is bringing back the chubby bottle, which is pretty cool. And we also have the Very Well drops, which are already available. And my personal favorite that I think I'll really enjoy is the mango, pineapple, and the tropical fruit. So looking forward to trying those out. And it looks like the SQDC is going to be the first, not a surprise, as they have they're headquartered in Quebec, and they have a foothold in the Quebec market share. So they're available in store only at the moment. So if we take a look, they have the Molo 5. So we'll just take a quick peek at each product to give you guys an idea. So we have the Molo 5. It's got, so to give you a bit of an idea, the Canopy drinks only have 2 milligrams per canister, and they're roughly $5 and $6. And this one has 5 milligrams of THC and CBD and is $6, so very competitively priced. I saw a couple people online saying that they were a little bit more expensive, but you got to keep in mind that they have more THC and CBD in the drinks as well. So this is the ingestible cannabis-based product. The beverage may spark a desire to be around others and may create a feeling of joy. So just taking a look, yeah, the dry mouth, red eyes, but it doesn't really give too much details about that product. So if you do end up trying this product, I'm personally from Edmonton originally, so I don't have access to it yet, but if you do try this product, please drop a comment below and let us know what your review is and critique is on that product. I'd be happy to hear from you and very interested to hear your thoughts. We also have the lemon flavored sparkling drink. We have, and that's THC 5 and CBD 5 as well. We also have this one sounds cool, this orange clove and cinnamon sparkling water. Again, 5 and 5 sounds really cool. Those are $8, so a little bit more expensive, but looks like they're a little bit more on the fancier side. So looking forward to trying those. So diving into the charts, this morning you may have woke up to see Hexo in double-digit gain territory. So let's just go over the charts here right now. I'm just going to remove these lines and clear things up. So we did on the earnings reaction news. So obviously their Original Stash brand has been an absolute hit. I've tried their Original Stash sativa and it's absolutely amazing. It was only $130 for 28 grams. And to be honest, I wasn't expecting much when I opened it. It's kind of like, oh, I might have to mix it with some other stuff to make it worthwhile. But I opened the bag and I was absolutely blown away. And taste wise, it was 20% THC. Absolutely amazing. They blew the earnings report out of the water last quarter because of their high demand for this Original Stash. They now have the Original Stash hash. So now they have different versions of the Original Stash as well. They have 210 and 220. So nice to see that they have some variety there. They're soon going to be coming out with a 7 gram option, so a quarter. So it'll be nice to see once they have that available, because a lot of people don't really want to buy an ounce and spend all that just to try it, right? So it'd be awesome to see the 7 gram option available. If you've tried the original stash indica or sativa or the hash, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd be really interested to hear what everyone's thoughts are, because I absolutely love the product and I think better days are ahead for Hexo. Obviously, dilution is a bit of an issue with Hexo, and they have a lot of debt coming soon. So you want to position yourself, if you decide to take a position, you want to position accordingly. So this could be a strong long-term hold in the next 3 to 5 years, in my opinion. I'm not saying buy or don't buy it. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. All investments have risk, but I personally picked up some Hexo at 69 cents, and I just added some when we had this pullback here this morning. So if we look at the monthly chart, we had an all-time high record monthly volume 2 months ago, and that was the record volume on both the Canadian ticker and the US ticker. And volume sort of dropped off there. The weekly volume, so we've got increasing weekly volume. It's only Thursday, so we're obviously probably going to have that average 20 volume, which is a good sign. So if we look at the weekly, we were in a little bit of a tight range there. So after the earnings report, we had $1.29 as the high and a low of 65. So we did break that just barely by a few basis points. But as you can see, we had a high, a low, lower high, higher, low, a little bit of a bear break. Could have been a fake out. What happens whenever you see a trend change with no follow through? You zoom out, look for a flag. Could that potentially be a bull flag? Yes, it could. We look at the daily, absolute rocket ship blew through 75-cent resistance. The next resistance was 82. It poked above there just barely at 83. And then we saw a little bit of a pullback. And we also have resistance over here at 85, which would be next on deck, 86. And then we have a gap here at the 91-cent level. So if we can get over that 86 resistance, there's very little resistance holding us back up until this point. And if we can get over that, the bulls are off to the races. We could see some euphoria. I haven't even seen a press release yet for the drinks being released. So we'll have to keep that in the back of our mind as well, that we could see some extra hype and euphoria and buying pressure once we see more official. So we have some price discovery going on right now. We have 2 hourly inside bars, so we're watching to see which way this is going to break. I personally entered this morning on a 15-minute higher low and put my stop just under the 15-minute higher low. We also have EMA 12 support there to go off of. And one thing you'll notice is after 30, 45 minutes into the day, we saw increasing bull volume. What do you want to see at the beginning of the day? That stands out, right? You want to see increasing bull volume. So whenever we hit that 82 resistance, which I knew was resistance, I waited. We saw the upper wick. We poked above just a bit, just barely as a fake out, and we pulled back for a 15-minute higher low. I've entered on that higher low at 77 cents, which is also the 50-day moving average, as you can see here. So we bounced off that, confirmed it as support, and we don't have any resistance on the moving averages up until $1.14, which is the 200-day moving average. So keeping an eye on that. Like I said, we were up on the day, we were up 17% at one point, pulled back 7%, 6%, and now we're looking to form a 15-minute higher low. And it looks like we could be seeing a 15-minute bull flag here right now. So we're looking at a tightening range on the 5-minute. So high, low, lower high, higher low. We're looking to see which way this EQ is going to break. So again, guys, don't FOMO and buy without a plan. And you got to keep in mind that Hexo has dilution, risk of dilution as well. So just keep that in the back of your mind. If you are interested in joining our group, you can visit palgroup.ca. You can check out our website for the list of memberships that we have. and you can join us for a 7-day free trial. If you like the video, please smash the like. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. And so consider subscribing if you like the content, and tick the little bell and you'll get the next update as soon as it comes out. Have yourself a great day, guys. And let me know in the comments below if you try any of the Hexo drinks. I'd love to hear from you. Take care.